The US is packed with strange and surprising facts. Here are three you've probably never heard. In Nebraska, sneezing during a church service isn't just rude, it's actually illegal. So if you've got allergies, maybe sit near the door. You think Hawaii has the most volcanoes, right? Wrong. It's Alaska, with over 130 volcanoes, making it the most explosive state in America. But Hawaii still holds the crown for something else. It's the only US state that grows coffee commercially. So if you've ever had 100% Kona coffee, now you know where it came from. Hit the subscribe button for more wild facts about the US.